welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial kind of thing, and I'm going to try and focus on teaching you I'm going to try and do these every week with somebody like a co-host. I'm going to introduce today's co-host, who might be appearing several times on this channel, but today we're going to be doing a pink with like a silvery shimmer kind of look with maybe a pop of colour on the under eye. Without further ado, let's welcome today's special guest. Hello, my sister Daisy.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello, Jackie. You look nice.
Hello, Jackie. You look nice. Fall on the backdrop, why don't you?
Yeah, they were that Daisy destruction means destruction.
And Daisy means destruction. Right. So, how old are you?
8.
How long have you been doing makeup for?
2 months.
Do it so if young people are following along, they can kind of take more like inspiration from what Daisy's doing because she's new to makeup as well. But without further ado, let's get on to the eyes. But before we even start with that, what do we need to do, Daisy?
Look at Jamesy.
No, we need to prime our eyeshadow. We need to prime our lids. So we're going to get a concealer. I'm going to take the Latin Perfection by Collection one. This is really cheap. It's like £3. It's a liquid concealer. And I'm going to like just carve out my brow.
A stick.
You can use this with a wand. So I'm going to do one side with the wand so that you can see how it works with the wand. But basically, map out your eyebrow shape.
Do you normally do that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think you need to be.
And then fill in the blanks. Try not to get on your eyelashes. You can already tell this is going to be a hell of a ride.
You're wiping it off now, you know.
I'm blending.
That's not blending. That looks like wiping.
So it's going to be really long. I can't work. Guys, hit the like button if you want Daisy to appear many times, because I can tell you now it's going to be fun when she's on it. Alright, I'm going to take my concealer brush
That's
out.
why people call me Crazy Daisy.
Lipstick style concealer. She's using the Rimmel one. Not in if you really want to know what she's using to fail. Time lapse some of this video, and then we're going to do one eye on camera because of the time. This video should be like 20-ish minutes long.
You don't need lots.
But like we'll do one eye on camera, and then you just pat it in like that. So the eyeshadow brush concealer brush helps you map out the shape a bit more sharply, like. Well, I don't think it matters.
Right.
I don't do much to my brows. I just I might do them in a while when I've got my foundation on, because that way, if they're brown, like powder that I use for my brows goes on my face and makes me look like a lot. Which colour you're using. I'm gonna use one similar to that, and then we're gonna put it in our crease. I think I might use the Morphe Pride palette because that's got one similar to therein.
Come
here. Right, so my shade is gonna be called Heart, and it's gonna be this
That's
one
what you should be
here.
doing.
So I'm gonna take it on my flat brush and just gonna pat it into here. But Daisy, if you've got a flat brush, I know you've got a flat brush. Oh.
So
I'm gonna basically on the outer corner of my eye and like map it in and bring it in like
I
a
just
little
had
line like so.
an eye brush.
This is like on where your crease is. It's just mapping out your eye shape. And I'm just gonna pat it in. If you swipe, you're gonna get fallout everywhere. And this is the reason I do my eyes before foundation. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the pink like so. Pat, 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 pat.
That's okay.
And then we're just gonna blend in circular motions. A blending brush is like a fluffy brush, so it's like a slow-mo,
Is
like
this
patting
okay?
off the pigment.
Don't.
That looks okay. This is looking blended, Mum.
Do you like this? The thing fell. The square fell.
The light. I was like, Daisy, I'll save your life. Not that you care about me or anything, but I'll save your life. Oh, hey! Hello, ring light. So as you can see, I'm just blending the makeup, so that's good. I'm gonna do eyeliner, but you never do eyeliner, so that's just giving you time to catch up. That's my dad talking to my dashboard.
How are you putting tape on your face?
Eyeliner.
Hey, the last time she did makeup, did you see what she did to her face?
Did you see what you did to your face when you were born? So just stop it. So I just put my mascara on. It only took me like 5-10 minutes to do. So foundation. I'm gonna do some like reverse contour kind of thing.
Right, this is foundation.
So I'm taking a foundation which is put it in the spots where you want to contour.
Thing.
Now I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna look a bit like a champ at the first and like some smeared pupil on my face, but you don't have to do this. You can just follow Daisy for this step. You need to prime your skin before, and we did that before putting onto this camera.
Right up down.
Like so, and I'm gonna put my really
My
light
favourite part.
concealer. I'm gonna put my super light concealer on in the places that you want to conceal. So I'm gonna just take my blending sponge
Now I'm gonna
and
get a blending
use that.
sponge.
Foundation brush for this part, and then I'm going to go in with the beauty blender because the beauty blender gives the best even coverage than foundation brush, if it makes sense. This is double wear, so I need only a tiny part and it goes a long way. You need to cover all imperfections. And now I'm going to go in with this beauty sponge. Do not blame me, this beauty sponge is a weird colour because I use it for my weird looks as well. But right, now is your favourite part of Dave's bed wings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is the light concealer I used before anyway. I'm going to put a tiny dot here, tiny dot here.
I'm doing on that
and then
that video.
you should know how to do bird wings, Dave.
Go down and across like that.
Yeah, that's what you use your concealer.
Down,
This is super
across,
definitive coverage, so. Okay, now I'm going to use the Latte Perfection one, which is more my skincare tone, like, and now I'm going to do bird wings.
And now it's time to blend those bird wings.
This is what I mean by bird wings. It looks like you're doing some, like feathers.
What part's gonna be done?
Don't go directly under your eye because it's going to crease easily and it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it.
This is what it should look like with concealer, and this is what it should look like when blended. You just go.
You can
tap,
see that
tap,
the
tap,
reverse
tap,
contour is giving
tap.
me a bit of a light contour anyway, so I only need to go in with a little bit of my powder one.
I just put myself
Beauty
in the eye with
sponge.
this thing.
You can see we look a little lighter here. Perfection. Oh,
Last I see
leave on.
the light.
This is good. This is making me see if my thing's blended. And that's I
see
think
the
blended to the
light.
goddesses.
Chloe, can you sing the last I see the light for us? Because the last we see the light.
last I see the light. Look what's beside you.
A tent. A living doodle.
She's got one of these that's by the side of her.
Ooh.
Oh, I know. You can now bake if you like. Not your face, not muffins, your face. I'm gonna take a small brush, beauty blender, and I'm just gonna
I think I
bake in all the
I made
places
myself
that we
right.
need to. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face while I'm
This is what you should look like.
do bird brain technique on here as well. This is just set the under eye.
Without it and with it. Now you gotta blend this
With
side.
without big. We use Johnson's baby powder because it's cheap and it's non-toxic. I'm just going to put in the places where I haven't baked, I'm just going to basically just set it so it's like a powdered base ready for my contour.
You're doing this, Chloe,
So it
making
blends out
yourself
easier.
a white beard, so I'm making myself a white beard. You're making yourself one, so I'm making myself one. Right now.
And this is, yeah, it's going to give us the powder base ready for our contour. And a highlight and blush.
That's what you did.
Look what she's done.
That's what she did. Stop, get that camera in my face.
Right.
There.
10 years later.
Can we just do something to your eyes, Daisy? Can I just do a little bit of something? Is that eyeshadow?
No, that's lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Have you got like a glitter eyeshadow?
The last one we used.
The one that says
it got
Royal
on my
on
eye.
it.
Try this.
It's Face Palette by Sleek. I use the brush out of here and this, and I usually use the highlight, although I got free Sleek one as well. Sleek highlight palette, so I use that a lot. We're gonna look a bit like a chav at the Met first, so that's fine. Because if you don't know where I'm to the beat, come in and hatch better watch it. So 13 you're gonna do wingman, and to the beat you step in line. Let's go do the same on the temples, forehead.
Pale, gotta blend that in.
This is just a buffered contour brush. I got my own special nose contour brush so that we can make sure that it's smashed. Now we're going to become not a chav and we're going to blend this out. So that it looks nice and subtle.
You gotta do this.
I like a defined contour, although the Sleek palette is so buildable, so you can like just use it layer by layer. So I did like 2 or 3 layers on each side to make it as dark as it is, but it's quite light anyway. But we're just gonna. I love a good bit of blush. You don't need to put this much blush.
Little tinsy bit on, because I remember the last time I put blush on.
Right, now we're gonna blend it out so that we don't look too much like a clown.
Shimmer.
But when you do like cute looks.
There's silver someone here.
What's silver for?
Silver for the eyes. Remember?
Just take a little bit of powder, just brush that over, it'll be fine.
I just got
I think that looks a bit better now. I'm putting the Roxasaurus cream lip gloss. This is in New York, which is the cream out of the collection. I'm putting that on because I can't find my sheer one.
I'm done.
That's pretty much the whole video done. I want to see your looks, so please, if tag me on TikTok or Instagram your looks, and I'll see them. And
Hang on, do
just tag me. My Insta and my TikTok will be in the description. The link will be in the description.
Yeah, look at me.
Come on in, Days, get in.
You like the slammer like James Charles does at the end.
Hello, Jackie. You look nice.
Right, we need